Very good morning. Myself, Dr. Deepa Chakravarti, head of the Institute of Amity School of Languages at Amity University, Rajasthan since the last 9 years. The institute provides courses such as BA English, BA French, MA English, and various PhD programs in English, French, and Spanish. The institute also has active connections with reputed companies like Clean, Kelvin, Skugel, Red Bull, as well as others. Our students get placed majorly as teachers, content writers, and brand ambassadors. They also go for paid internships. Apart from that, our school has the unique mandate of teaching value-added courses in foreign languages such as French, Spanish, German, and Chinese to all the students of the universities. They have an internal choice so far as the language is concerned, and once chosen, we try to make them speakers of the language. And I'm very happy to share with you that many of our students are cracking international examinations as A1 and A2 level. Besides, I need to emphasize upon the fact that the institute is proactive in establishing collaborations with foreign universities. We have an active collaboration with Sciences Po Bordeaux University in France, and right now we are working as well with CLA School of Languages, which is a part of Franche-Comté University. Equally, we are eager to work with Reunion Island University, which is a French overseas territory. Very good morning to all of you. I welcome you to this webinar on language learning. Just one request to you. There will be first the presentation, and post presentation you will ask the questions that you might be having. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself. As you can see, I'm heading the Department of Amity School of Languages at Amity University, Jaipur for the last 10 years. I have an experience of teaching languages for almost 25 years. And talking about my qualification, I have a doctorate in French studies from Jadavpur University, Calcutta. I have done my master's from Rouen University, France, and also I've got an MPhil from Calcutta University. Moving on, I'll come to the topic of the webinar today, which is language learning a sustainable option for career planning? Now, you must have noticed that it is ending with a question mark. Why this question mark? Because you must be having, or maybe not all of you, but some of you must be having a question that would it really be a sustainable option for your career planning? Okay, so you can see this presentation before you. Language learning is often considered to be a window to the world, giving you the glimpse of the world itself, its culture, its people. So I'll move to the next slide. Now, why language for career? First of all, it's very easy. An average Indian is a polyglot. So all of you must be knowing more than one language, and you are bilingual by birth. So as such, you have the potential to learn a language very, very fast. So that is why this is a viable option for all of you. And you can see the slide that if you learn a language, you become more tolerant, empathetic to others. You are empowered because you will be able to connect with the world. Employability, opportunities, your confidence level, all this increase with language learning. What are the advantages? All of us, we know that language is communication. Without language, we cannot communicate with any. So just imagine a new language will make you more communicable. You discover new countries, cultures. Your visions are broadened and you build bridges across many communities in the world. Of course, higher studies and professional interest is there. But above all, you become a better human being. This I was telling from the very beginning, that learning languages are necessary and not learning one language. Your own language, your mother tongue is there, you know English, and now you go for another language and make it a career option. Now look at this slide. Bonjour. This is a French greeting, which is like namaste. And it's a magical word. Whenever you are meeting a person, you can say bonjour. So what are your reasons for learning French? Of course, it's a world language. French is, along with English, the only language spoken in all the 5 continents. It is the 3rd most used business language in the world, 2nd most useful language in trade after German, and much ahead of Spanish, Arabic, and Chinese for the firms that you have in United Kingdom. Look at this. How many countries speak this language? Now, if you look at France, of course, it is the spoken language. But apart from France in Europe, you have Luxembourg, you have Belgium, you have Switzerland. And moving ahead, you can find in Canada, it is spoken in Quebec. And then in the Americas, you go to Guadeloupe, Martinican Islands, all these islands practice this language. Then just go to the African continent. More than 29 countries speak this language. Look at all these countries, Senegal, Guinea, Mali, and even the island that you have adjacent to African continent, Madagascar. This is the language that they speak. Algeria, Egypt, Morocco, these are all French speaking. And more is added to it. Go to Vietnam, Laos, these are all French speaking. So these collectively we called Francophone countries. Phone means language, and since French language is being spoken by all these people of the 5 continents, we call this Francophone population. So just on top, it is written 220 million people speak French on all the 5 continents. French is the major language of international communication. So suppose we greet bonjour. See, it will have an echo from all around the globe. And coming to France, you can see Paris, the capital, to the north of the map of France. But this is not only the destination of Indian students, but also other cities. Okay, Lille, Deauville, Strasbourg, Lyon, Avignon, Marseille, Montpellier, Bordeaux. So these are all destinations for study abroad program and student exchange program. Some facts about France. It has a population of 64.7 million. Mind you, this is in 2010. Literacy rate almost 100%. It is the most visited country. Over 75 tourists in a year it receives. Highly modern and industrialized in aeronautics, transport, food industry, fashion, machinery, technology, electronics, and the list is endless. When we talk about France, it is Eiffel Tower, but don't forget there are much more places that people would love to go and visit. Okay, don't forget the French Pyrenees and the southern France and the Alps. Language of culture. Yes, look at this, Les Miserables. Do you know who has written it? Of course, it's written Victor Hugo, a famous person, a famous author all around the globe. Similarly, we do call French to be the language of culture. And the French lesson, mind you, students, is a cultural journey into the worlds of fashion, gastronomy, arts, architecture, and science. Learning French offers access to works of great French authors, one of them being Victor Hugo, but there is also Molière, Diderot, Albert Camus, and again the list is endless. Discovering a way of life through learning of French language. So these are the famous celebrities. Okay, you have Zaz, you have Edith Piaf, and also Celine Dion. And you must be remembering Titanic's famous song, My Heart, that is sung by Celine Dion. So history, philosophy, literature, people, food, beliefs, habits, traditions, films, music, and more, all will be accessible to you through opening up of the window by learning French language. So these are certain glimpses. So Bastille Day is the national day, as you know, like we have 15th August. So it started the famous French Revolution. So similarly, Tintin, you must be knowing, it is a French creation. So these are some of the glimpses, some logos, and some people also. So this is the fleur de lis, that is the symbol of France, and all the erstwhile French emperors used to wear this symbol in their crown. Don't forget the Cannes Festival and many other activities that is considered to be global activities today. The most thing, students, that puzzle you is that, will I get a job if I do this French studies? Yes, you will. And let me tell you, this is a field which is still open and not, blocked, because this is comparatively a new field. You have large numbers of French and Francophone companies that entered India. 750 plus French companies are in India that are ready to absorb a person like you once you finish your studies in French. So the names are there: Renault, Alstom, BNP Paribas, Michelin, Legrand, L'Oreal, and many others. In the Saint-Gobain, you can see all these are in India itself. So I'll show you a map. Look at the French companies in India. It is all over the globe. Maybe in the place you are staying now, it can be very close to you. Career prospects. You can be in diplomatic service professional. You can become an employee in multinational companies I just spoke about, and also in government organizations. You can be a very good academic and researcher, like all the teachers in India. And let me tell you, the community is huge, and you will be helped in your endeavors. You can be interpreter, you can be translator. All multinational companies would like to have a person like you. You can be tourist guide, tourist escorts, air hostess or flight steward, public relations officer, foreign language trainer, cultural expert, and travel counselors. Many exchange opportunities will be yours. It is easy for students to make contact with French speakers of their own age via internet. There are many different exchange programs in France that offer rewarding experiences. Several French institutions are twinned with counterparts around the world, creating links with the world's largest educational network. Now, this is very, very important for you. Remember this Campus France, which is the higher education wing of French Embassy in India. And a branch of it is in Jaipur. So Amity Jaipur is actually conducting a lot of international certification classes and finally helping students to crack the exams. I'll just go to the slide. Yes, DELF exam, this is called, and our students are all clearing these exams. And let me tell you that this is a lifelong certification. So wherever you are going, you just show this option and you will be known to be a proficient learner. Let me get that. So higher studies in France and beyond, of course. And this is a privilege, a sure way of success, not only in terms of profession, but in terms of human relations. You will be better equipped to face the world, which is now narrowing down due to ethnic and religious differences. Challenges, yes, there are. Because beyond your class, you will not find people speaking in this language. But at the same time, your teachers are there. And just remember that language is a click away. You are all internet servers, okay? You know that world is today connected. So beyond the classroom, you will be connected in a bigger classroom. And the treasure house of material will be on the net. You will be guided to use this online links that will help you further your speaking, listening, and viewing. So let me tell you, students, nothing can be done at a go. Hard working is the key to success. You start learning small words that will lead to bigger things. Let me tell you, Rome is not built in a day. And slowly, slowly, you will be able to make sentences, speak them, practice them with your expert teachers, and then at the end of your studies, go out into the world successful. We in Amity encourage exchanges with French-speaking institutions, and many of our students are going abroad due to our collaborations that are quite active. We have several collaborations that are active. One is with Sciences Po Bordeaux University, that is the south of France. Another is with Reunion Islands and also with Rennes Business School. So students, keep calm and learn French. Thank you. And you can find my contacts as well. So you can start with your question session.
Do we have any question from any candidate?
Okay. So I will tell I got the first question. So I'll go chronologically. So the first question is, do we have French in Amity Jaipur? Yes, we have French, and 2017 onwards, we are getting students regularly. So we have French at the beginning. Even moving up, we have PhD in French as well. and our MA French course is approved as well. The next question, ma'am, what all language do you offer with BA program? We have BA English, which is also there from 2015 onwards. Any other questions, students? Otherwise, let me give you a bird's eye view of the department. The department has French, English at the graduate, at the undergraduate, master's, and PhD level. And we have students in all of them. Students who are motivated, which are all set to go out into the world successful. Placement opportunities, yes, students. As I told you, placement opportunities are many. If you want to be an academic, you want to be a language teacher, there is no problem, because Jaipur is suffering from less of number of language teachers. Not only Jaipur, all the cities, students, I can tell you. So grasp the option, learn the language, and you will find that opportunities are many. But also you can be, as I told you, an employee in a multinational organization, MNCs, in BPOs. They need translators, they need interpreters. You can be a researcher. Many of the teachers here are researchers abroad. Myself, I am a fellow of LAM, that is a research unit in Sciences Po Bordeaux University. So academically speaking, there is options. If you talk about professionals and MNCs, there is option. You want to have a private consultant, there is option. You can have your own language school at the end of your journey to learn the language. Now, why French is the most important language? Now, that I can tell you that it was, the answer will be the parallel ties that India government has with France. And from the very beginning, you know, French as a foreign language is the preferred tie that has been built up. So even when I was very young, I wanted to learn foreign language. I found French is the option. So from the very beginning, it is there and it is doing well. Several scopes to learn it, to excel in it, has been already put in place. So that is the reason why French is important. The government has several ties, and you know, Indian students are extremely, they are respected all over the world because of the courtesies, because of the language skills. And I don't know whether you know this, President Macron came to India last year, and he said that now 10,000 students are coming to France for their courses, maybe a part of the courses they are doing in France. Next, that is 2020, he wants 20,000, the language to be doubled. So the French government, the French embassy, they are connected with us. And I can tell you at Amity, every second month, we have French visits. The French embassy visits us. So that is one of the reasons why French is so popular at Amity campus. Any more questions? So I'll be talking about the curriculum. Already I said, if I talk about the BA French curriculum, the one thing that makes us different is it is interdisciplinary. It is interdisciplinary. Why? Because not only we teach you the French language generally, but also we will offer some specific courses. Like in the first year, you will be doing 2 French courses, that is Hotel Management French, and you will be doing Tourism French. This you do along with the hospitality department here. So you will be taking certain courses in English, knowing the Indian scenario about hotel management and tourism work. And at the same time, we will be teaching you the French scenario and the French vocabulary. So that way, our students become very comfortable and they can seek maybe a front office job. Why not? And why not in a French chain? Like, as you know, you have Low Meridian, very close, and several other hospitality chains. So this is the reason, even tourism sector. I talked about your being a consultant. If you want to be in the tourism sector, so here lies the option. But we do not stop at that. We teach you also literature, interpretation, translation. So making out of you someone who knows almost all the fields. So that way our BA French curriculum is innovative and something which responds to the needs for placement. Guest lectures and industry visits we do have, and our students go for internship also. So places like the Union Islands, this time we are thinking of sending them because we have our memorandum of understanding with them. So students will be totally in a French surrounding, so speaking the language and also doing their internship. Conferences are innumerable. With the French embassy support also we do, very recently we did a conference on, all languages on drama. And we had, lectures on in English, experts coming from abroad even, in French, and also in other languages, because department also have other languages, but we have not developed it to the graduation level. Memorandum of understandings, if I talk about, I told you that we have active memorandum of understandings with several institutions in France. With Sciences Po Bordeaux University, I told you, our students went there and they came back with a very good impression, and now they want to go back again because Indian students are very, very welcome because of their language skills, because of their soft skills. They can mix with others. They are very much adaptable to any changes and need. And apart from that, we have MOU also with Rain Business School, as I told you. And we are also working on several study abroad programs where our students are also sent to Paris also. And the SAP program of Amity University is in many continents, not only in France, but also you have in London, in China, in America. So there are lots of options to get you connected with the world. So talking about curriculum, as I told you, it is updated. Basically, okay, I can find another question. Ma'am, I have done MBA and working as, okay, just I will. I cannot see, because can you help me? It has got hidden. Ma'am, I have done MBA and working as banker. Okay. Okay. And working as banker, looking for French language degree. How may I get, am I eligible for master in French? But you have done MBA student. How can you be eligible for master in French? You have to do BA French. So that is the option that you have. And in no time it will be over. And after that you can do masters in French. So see, this is very clear that you have to have a solid base in the language. And that should come up to graduation level learning. Only then you can be absorbed in MA French. So what is stopping you from doing BA French? Okay, I have another question. In Amity University, which language is commonly used and important? Oh, now if you talk about the university, the thing is that we also provide value-added courses in 4 languages. French is there, then you have German, Spanish, and Chinese. Now, all of them should be the preferred language, but because of the MOUs, collaboration, guest lectures, and French embassy visits, I don't know. French has got a very high profile in the university, and students want to do French. So if you see with reservation, because I want all this language to be as good, and I'm sure the expertise that we provide are very good, but still students are a little biased, for French. Ma'am, what are career opportunities after doing BA Honors English? BA Honors English, you do, and we have a very good curriculum, updated curriculum, not a conventional one at all. So why not? Because again, English that you learn is also, you are doing Greek works in English language, you are doing French works in English language, okay, Indian English writers, and also translation studies you are doing. So that way you are touching upon the great writers of all over the world and through the ages. So that is how it is very innovative. Now, once you finish that, we have MA English, which is also very popular. You can get absorbed very easily in MA English, and then you can do PhD courses. But now, if you want something else, what opportunities? You can be teachers. You can be teachers in schools. You can be also a soft skill trainer. So all the companies need soft skill trainers, so you can be trainers as well. But I will request you to do more, because English is something which is very developed in the country, and people would look for students having a MA background. So that way you should develop yourself more. Okay. Is there any government jobs after language courses? I told you, yes. In the defense sector, for example, they want language experts. So if you have the know-how, then you will be easily absorbed in the government sector, and also government schools and colleges. They would need you. Even at the university level, almost all the universities in India have French language at BA, MA level. So they will be looking for teachers. And as I told you, the number of experts in French language till date is not many. So you run the chance of getting absorbed. Do Amity also offer certificate programs in foreign languages? Students, as I told you, that value-added programs are there in all foreign languages. So French, German, Spanish, Chinese. And in the evening, we take classes also to make you ready for these international certification classes. So we do not have certificate programs, but you do get the possibility of doing this DELF courses, as I will, daily courses in Spanish, and also international certificate, HSK system is followed for international certificates in Chinese language. So all this we provide you. We do not have certificate programs as such, but we are planning to do it in future. After BCom, can we do PhD in French language? Oh my, students, you need to have French knowledge. Your BCom knowledge cannot lead you and make you a French expert. If you are not doing BA French, MA French, then forget about doing PhD French, because at that level you do research in French. You write in French. How would you do that with your become knowledge? But yes, you can, after become, you can join BA French courses. You can join BA English courses. Ma'am, which one language is better as per international job opportunities? All languages. Be a good German expert, you will be required at the international level. Be a good English expert also, you will get a possibility. Okay, then I will sign off. Thank you so much. You've been very patient and your questions were good also.